0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Kesa from Totally Designs, and I am here to show you what I'm working on, and that is another one of my 4th of July jewelry collection. And so today I'm just adding on some of these beads, and I'm just basically creating a nice stretch strand bracelet. Now, if I think I want to add charms on there, I will maybe add charms on there, but right now I think I like the way that this bracelet is actually turning out. So I'm just going to continue to bead it until I'm ready to end it. Hopefully, guys, this will give you some ideas of what to do with these striped beads. They have such a strong presence, right? That you have to kind of like decide what do you do with them, like, you know, because they're powerful by themselves, and you're like, well, how do I tone it down, or how do I embellish it a little bit more to bring it out even more? And so basically I just added these little gold spacers in between, and I think it does a nice job at adding the glamour to it. Yeah. Okay, I am practically almost done with this one, but I did want to show you what I was working on. I'm back doing the 4th of July series, so this will be going on too. Okay, that's almost done, and I'm actually gonna put an extra one on here because I always want to make it so that it has enough stretch for whoever wears it. Now my bracelet, well, my wrist size I should say, is 7.5, and so I always try to, you know, make it a little bit bigger for those that might be trying to, for those people's wrists that are a little bit bigger. And then I also try to keep it where people with smaller wrists are able to wear it as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tie this off. And I usually do it quite a few times, guys, to my satisfaction. That's 2. And that's 3. 4. I normally do it about 5 or 6 times, but on this case, I'm going to do it one more. I'm going to tie it off 7 times. Alrighty, yeah, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Get you guys some great nippers that will cut to the edge, to the very edge. Now I'm just going to pull that through. There we are. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. I really love how that looks. What do you think? Now I'm going to actually do another one because I think I want to make a set for these. Yeah, I'm going to work on making a set. I think it's going to be a pretty set, actually. I'm going to see if I have enough to make like 3 of them, because I think that it will really be nice. Guys, it is hot out in California, I think we're supposed to be having a heat wave, but I think it's supposed to come back down tomorrow. I hope so, just for a little bit. I think, you know, having warm days is good for a couple of days, but after that, we need a break because, you know, and stay hydrated, y'all. I want to recommend y'all stay hydrated. Just, you know, Gatorade, Pedialyte, whatever. Because you're going to need more than water. And stay away from salt. Stay away from salt and sugar when it's hot. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, guys. I really am enjoying this because I think, to have like these made in stackables, I think this is really gonna be good. Okay. Right now I need to take out some more beads. Guys, I have beads all over the place. It is so hilarious. But I am really beading right now because I feel really motivated to do it. And I like to always do it when I feel that motivation coming on. Because it's like when I feel that motivation on, it's like I get tons of things done. And sometimes when I'm not motivated, I'm just not motivated at all and I do nothing. All right, we're going to cut this open too. Oh, I got an extra one on there. Guys, if you hear my fan in the background, please forgive me. But it is quite humid in my apartment. All right, there we go. So we're just getting this together. And I want to see how this is going to look. I think this is going to look quite fancy myself. And then, you know what, guys? I also maybe I might make a necklace. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a whole set out of it. Because I think it's really, really cute. Let me know what your thoughts are. Should I make like a necklace to go with it or some earrings to go with it? Which I probably will wind up making the earrings to go with it. Alrighty. And guys, again, I hope you guys are taking care of your hands. I know sometimes my hands tend to hurt and everything like that. And, you know, I have to stop and massage them a little bit. Just the work of the trade. I'm going to always remind you guys, take good care of your hands because your hands are what allow you to make this beautiful thing called jewelry, right? Okay, I am pretty much almost finished with that. It is amazing, guys, where you can take spacer beads and how they embellish the project that you're working on. It is amazing how you can just take a little small thing like this and just add it into your project, and it just brings such life to the project. All right, let's see. We're almost done with that. Yeah, we're getting there. So what I'm going to do is now see if it'll fit around my wrist. Yep, but I'm still going to add an extra bead on it. All right, we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to tie it together. Oh, that is going to be a beautiful set, guys. I really like this. And so I pull it really, really tightly, guys. Oh, in case you're wondering what I'm using Stretch Magic, and this is the 1 millimeter. And finally 7. Okay, I'm done with that. And guys, this is going to be the conclusion of the video. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing as always. And what I'm doing, guys, is just pulling the knot in between. Now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me just put them on for you. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, until the next video, happy beading.